I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, gal, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright.
So we're heading towards the White Cliffs now, and the Seven Sister Cliffs.
Nobody but you.
So now we're at the top of the beachy head, where you can go on the top of the cliff and have a beautiful views there. We're not jumping off the bus, we're just going along the roads. Hello Alex, what are you doing here? Hello Vicky.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you enjoying the views?
Yes.
Yeah, the views are beautiful, aren't they?
Make you feel better if I say there's songs for you. When you feel down and bitter, shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah.
We've been to a lot of seasides in UK. I've never actually seen the place which was that beautiful like this one. Apart from the Cornwall, obviously. If you've never been to Cornwall in UK, I highly recommend it. It's like a completely different place.
I want nobody but you.
So now we're heading on the top of the beachy head.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. Nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Hello Vicky.
For your return to Eastbourne.
Hello family. How are you?
Fine.
All good? Lovely views, aren't they? Highly recommend Eastbourne, this place for anyone.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling.